My middle name is Demelza, and it is, of course, as always, a delight to be vegan. Hence Demelza's Delights. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you this wonderful brownie that I got sent. So this is not a sponsored video, but I will be working with Willow Cake Bar, a New Zealand owned brownie and cake maker. So I'm really excited to be working with them going forward on my channel and on my social media, and you can use a discount code that is linked in the description box of this video and a few of my other videos as well. I'm going to be unboxing their August brownie. They make a new flavour every month. I'm really excited. Let's just get into it and eat some kai together. I need to remind you that the discount code that I have is not an affiliate link, so I don't make any money from this video, nor do I make any money from the code. It's just a code that you can use to get 10% off your brownies when you order. They do deliver nationwide in Aotearoa, New Zealand. So it did come in an R3 pack, which I really like because a lot of us plant-based people or vegans are really also wanting to know that our products are environmentally friendly. So the best thing to do with your R3 pack is to remove the labels and then chop it up into smaller pieces, and then you can just compost this. I'd go again into smaller pieces again, and then you can just put that in your home compost. So that was the way that it came when it was sent to me. I really like that. Less waste, low waste. I got my nails shortened yesterday. That's why when you're seeing me unpack this box yesterday, I've got long purple nails, and then today I've got cute little short ones. So I have already opened this, taken a few photos, had a little bit of a try, but as you can see, it comes with, again, just paper packaging. So there's no plastic apart from this plastic wrap here to keep your brownie super fresh when it is shipped to you. This is half of the brownie, half. The August flavour is peanut butter fudge cookie. I need to go and look at what the flavour is before I tell you it's the wrong flavour. Instagram, you know all the answers. Peanut butter cookie dough brownie. Peanut butter cookie dough brownie. Oh my god. Peanut butter cookie dough brownie flavour. And you can see the massive layer of the peanut butter. That's not all peanut butter, it's like a fudge mix. It's so good. I've already tried it. It's very, very rich. My advice, if you're going to buy these brownies, is chop them up, which I also did, and freeze some. They last for so long. So take a look at the inside of this brownie and look at how big this box is. So imagine a full-size brownie. I did cut this in half yesterday. Really beautiful macadamia nuts on top and peanuts. So obviously if you have a nut allergy or if you're gluten-free, this isn't going to be suitable for you. I'm really sorry. So this is how I store my brownies when they arrive. I cut them up into these cute little slices, and I'm going to do this with you now and box them up and then pop a whole bunch in the freezer. But we're also going to test it, of course, together. Right, so let's cut this up together. Just going to place this whole half brownie onto my chopping board, and I'm actually just going to run my knife under hot water. So I just go in half with this beautiful brownie. The knife heated up makes such a difference. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And then I go into these thin slices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to be honest, you could even half this again, because this is such a rich brownie that that little slice there is enough. Oh my gosh. This part here at the bottom is so moist. Really rich, decadent, fudgy. Just, you know how you want your brownies to be? That's what these brownies are like. And then the top half with the cookie dough peanut butter bit. That's how it makes you feel. Yum, 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 yum. So the only thing left to do is to box it up. I am going to share some of this with my flatmates, but also some of my friends. I think I'll go around to their houses and deliver some brownie, because honestly you could easily get 16 little slices, but you could easily half them and make 32 little mini fudge brownies like this. And honestly, that is enough. That one little fudgy slice, that one little delicious fudgy slice is enough for after dinner. I promise you, I have a very big sweet tooth. I am going to freeze some of these, and the rest I'll store in the fridge for quick eating. I need to put this away before I eat the whole thing. Thank you so much to Willow Cake Bar for sending me your August flavour. Use my code for 10% off. It's DEMEL, D-E-M-E-L. You can get this shipped, as I said, all over Aotearoa, New Zealand. Get yourself some really yummy kai, treat yourself. Kia ora all for joining me in today's video. I hope that you'll buy yourself a brownie because you deserve it. And thank you so much to Willow Cake Bar for partnering up with me. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like this video. Tūhono mai ki taku hongari te reata, which means please subscribe to my YouTube channel in Te Reo Māori. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks so much. Bye!